you guys, we're back on Thriving with PKU today, and I said last week in the Q&A video that we'd be back in the kitchen, but in Southern California, it's so beautiful right now, we just want to be outside. And those of you living in really snowy or really cold areas, maybe you can live vicariously through us with the sunshine on my face. But tomorrow, I'm hopping on a plane and I'm flying out to Austin, Texas, and we're really excited to go, but one thing that can be tricky is managing PKU when you're on the road or traveling and getting on airplanes or staying in hotels or whatever. So I wanted to show you some of my favorite snacks that I travel with. I consider myself a snack expert. There's never not a good time to have a snack. It's always snack time. So I'm excited to show you what I found. Okay, so some of these snacks I travel with me in my bags. Other snacks I grab once I get to my destination. But the first two I want to show you are right here, the Pressed by Kind bars, and then also the That's It fruit bars. I always carry with me usually some produce from the grocery store, but sometimes that just doesn't do it for me for a snack. These are both literally just fruit in these bars, but they're really good. The Kind bars, there's a bunch of different flavors and they stay, most of them are around a half gram for each bar. And then the That's It bars kind of vary depending on what ingredients you get in the bar. But in this one, it's literally only strawberries and cherries. So if you're on the simplified diet, you could find ones that are completely free on your simplified diet. And these literally overflow out of my bag when I travel. The next one that I always bring with me too, they're from Costco. They're called Crunchy Rice Rollers. They have a really sweet taste. And I think they're kind of filling for being so like airy and good. But they're less than a gram per package and I really enjoy them. So other snacks that I really like and I usually get when I get to my destination are these coconut milk yogurt alternatives from So Delicious. They have a bunch of different flavors and you can usually find them at most local grocery stores. They're a half gram per yogurt cup thing. And I like to take them and put them in the fridge at my hotel and then grab some fruit, and then in the morning it's a really good breakfast. Cut the fruit up and make a little fruit yogurt bowl. And then my other snack that I'm like super into this one right now. They come in really big packs at Costco, but I've also seen them at other grocery stores. You can get a little bit smaller packs, but they are individual size little guacamoles. They basically just have avocado and I think they're organic. They have like some onion or something in them, and they're a gram for each little pack, and I like to eat them with some low protein chips just to make them a little bit yummier. I hope you guys can use some of these snacks in your day-to-day PKU lives or for you to go traveling around with. Thank you guys so much for sticking by as we did our Q&A video and have been out of the kitchen for a little bit. Our lives have been so hectic and crazy. We're hoping that next week we can be back in the kitchen and sharing some more yummy recipes. I'll see you guys then.